Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new look for you guys. It's on this look. It's a very fun, easy fall look. So if you want to see how I did this look, just keep on watching. So I'm taking my Milani Prime Shield to prime the face up. Okay, so I'm going in with Maybelline 24-Hour Wear Foundation in 312. It's the one, the hand. Begin to dot on the face. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, so next I'm taking the Tarte Shape Concealer in light neutral. Next I'm using Nikki Tutorials Powder Makeup and I'm going in with chocolate. I don't know how to say the other word. This one right here. I'm gonna contour with it. Okay, so I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera and I'll see you in just a second. Okay guys, now for the eyes, I am going in with Soft Ochre by M.A.C. And that's gonna be an eye primer for my eyes. Okay, so the first shade in the Jouer palette, I'm going in with Hazelnut. And that's going into our outer corner and blending out into the crease. I'm gonna go in with Ivy by Nikki Tutorials and I'm gonna place it on the lid. Okay, so I placed rose quartz right here into the inner corner just to give it a little highlight. So now I'm gonna place some black liner on my waterline and I'm gonna blend it out with Hazelnut and Toffee. Now take a flat brush and get Toffee and Hazelnut access and just blend in the bottom. Okay, so I'm gonna go finish the other eye off camera and I'll see you in just a bit. Okay, so next I'm gonna take the highlighter that's in rose gold. I'm gonna dip it onto a Morphe M510 brush and we're gonna highlight our cheekbones. Okay, so next I'm gonna take this lip cream by Jouer and it's in rose gold as well. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe if you're not already. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!